As the sun rises over Iran, nature awakens with a symphony of colors and sounds. Majestic forests, rugged mountains, and vast deserts hold secrets from ages long past. Behold the ancient land of Iran, a realm of unparalleled natural splendor. With reverence, we witness the breathtaking landscapes unfold. Oak forests reaching for the heavens, the Caspian Sea crashing against rocky cliffs, and ruins of Persepolis whispering of a grand civilization lost to time. Through the ages, Iran's rich cultural heritage comes alive. From snow-capped peaks to scorching deserts, historic villages nestled in valleys, and vibrant flora and fauna, Iran's nature is a symphony of beauty. With a call to action, we are urged to cherish and honor the ancient land, to live in harmony with nature. For Iran's nature and heritage are a treasure that transcends time, a legacy to cherish, protect, and pass on. The diversity of Iran's landscapes is awe-inspiring. Tales of mighty kings, grand palaces, and legendary heroes like Cyrus the Great and Darius the Great echo in the wind. Persepolis stands as a testament to the greatness of the past. In the end, we are left with a poignant reminder that in Iran's nature and ancient heritage, we find a treasure beyond measure, a gift to be cherished and safeguarded for generations to come.